How to fix can't trade problem in Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix the can't trade problem in your Steam. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your Steam. After you've opened up your Steam, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've logged in, you can then simply head over to Steam's setting. To do that, you'll first need to locate the Steam option on the top left corner of your Steam. This one right here, tap on it, and there you'll find settings. So head over to settings. After you tap on settings, you should be on this section right here. What you'll need to do is head over to the security section. Tap on security. Now right here, you'll find different options. So you will see an option that says Steam Guard. Here you will need to tap on manage Steam Guard. And it will take you to this another page. It can take some time to load, but there we go. Now here, normally by default, you'll see get Steam Guard codes by email when require you to relog in. It should be set to this one, but we'll need to turn this off. Now, Steam Guard is really important when it comes to trading. You will need to turn it off to make sure that you can trade. So yeah, but recently if you have changed your password or authenticator, it can put you to hold before you change it. You can get up to 5 days of waiting period, and if you've traded between 7 days, it can put you up to 15 days in trade hold. So these are all standard protocols, so yeah, there is no working around that. So the basic fix is tap on turn off Steam Guard, select disable Steam Guard, and after you've disabled it, what you can then do is you can simply restart your Steam. So disable Steam Guard and simply confirm it by going to the link, then exit the Steam and you can relog in. After you do that, you will then be able to trade. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.